Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches.
Everyone, also you here. I was waiting for you.
Slippery surface, a heart attack.
So I feel like I left you hanging with this punch needling project. It was a lot. It took me about 3 weeks to do so. If you haven't seen the first part, please go check it out. I'll leave the link down below. And yeah, please leave a like, leave a comment. And I think we need a good recap because it's been a while. So I found inspiration, built a temporary frame for the linen fabric, and I stapled on the fabric. And then I started punch needling the shapes I wanted, and I kept on going. And kept on going. Day and night. I pretty much punch needled the life out of me. It's not true. I went on and off, on and off. I didn't kill myself to finish it. But let me tell you something. When I finished it, I was so happy. Finished. So once I finished, I had to figure out a way to hang the artwork on the wall, and I saw accidentally on TV an advertising. In this advertising there was an artwork on a wall, and the artwork was framed in a frame, wooden thin frame, and it was laced on the frame. So I took inspiration from there, and the result should look something like this. And I wanted to find a thin wood that didn't need any work. I just wanted to cut it, build a frame on the wall. I wanted to cut some time to this project because it was taking too long. So what did I do? I built another frame. 2 frames in one project. That's a lot to digest. Really simple frame design, 45 degrees cut angles.
Losing time, I'm fading fast.
And I secured the angles wood glue, and then with scrap pieces from the same wood.
What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack.
Let's clean it up, cut all the odds and ends, and yeah, making sure everything is alright. Down. I am going to do now is using hot glue gun to just finish the edges. What I have in mind is I'm gonna use canvas. I have lots of them. I want to I don't know if I'm gonna sew it on. I will probably sew it. See how we go. In the end, I ended up sewing the linen fabric to the canvas, and then I folded double the canvas to have a much thicker fabric, so the grommets would adhere better, because you have to then lace the artwork to the frame, and you need to kind of stretch a little bit. Played around the disposition of the grommets, and I decided for 5 on each side, and they are really simple to fix on the fabric. It's the last day. I want to finish it and I want to hang it. So what I want to do is to fix the drumettes, and we're gonna kind of sew it with the same light color on the frame. Frame here, ready to go, nice and clean. freshly done, and let's do it. I'm gonna open this and figure out how to use it. Every 200 I'm gonna have a drummer, and then you have it. Final result. So we go to the end of the project. There were moments in which I was like, why did I even start it? But the end result, I like it a lot. And I like that I just did the kind of laced line. I'm 24 weeks pregnant. I made this. Nothing can stop you really. If you have something in mind, just go for it. The end result is gonna always look different from the idea you had, and that's fine. That's part of the game, you know. I learned a lot doing this, and I will always remember that I was pregnant when I did this, you know. I always say it's the story behind the object. It's not even the object itself. It's not even the price that you put on it. It's a beautiful backdrop, and it's a bit different. No one has the same. It's going to be impossible to do the same one. If you ask me if I would do another punch needling artwork, I would say yes, why not? It's really easy, easier than sewing, really. But if you ask me if I would do another one of this big, probably no. Let me know if you like it. Let me know if you would tackle something that big. If I was crazy, probably I was crazy. I just had this idea in mind and I wanted to do it. I wanted to make it happen. Please subscribe. You know, let's keep on this journey together. We have a lot of ideas. Of course, I'm gonna have a little newborn soon, but I won't stop, because at the end, this is what I like to do. This is what I did until now. I've always been doing DIYs, I've always been gifting, I've always been creative. That the interior design school is just my life changes, my mindset changes. And so I want to keep on doing. So please subscribe, leave a comment, and what else does people on YouTube say? Subscribe, leave a comment, leave a like. Really important. It's really important for me. It goes a long way, really. One like for one video, it goes a long way. Alright, sorry for all this. See you next time. Bye.